Sanibonani. Igama lami nguThemba Okaduke. Ngihlala eNcala 44. La eGaxo. Ngisebenza eFumana esikoleni. I'm the coach yaseFumana.
Coach which sport eFumana?
Ngicoacha football. Yes.
So uqale nini ucoacha eFumana?
2012. Yes.
So yini into yakwenza ukuthi usithole uqale kanjani usithole kanjani isipani eFumana and umuntu othanda ibhola involved nala uhlala khona with esport or just nje uyitisheri eFumana and then waba nothando lebhola?
Yeah. Ngiqale ngumuntu oncedisa isikolo since when I was working eManik Highway for transporter impahla from Naikatlohung to Zambia and different places. Now 2012 when I went to eFumana, ngaqala bona ubaba owayengifundisa ibhola, ubaba uSibeko. Ngathi ngincedisa isikolo just because sengisebenza part time. Ijob yami bengasi full time like boki part time. Up until ngaze ngaba officially so pure isipani eFumana to what as coach. Meanwhile uyasebenza ngapha every sometime usebenza eFumana up until 2018 they hired me as a PS staff eFumana, which is I started working in Fumana 2018 up until now, which means ngenza umsebenzi wami at the same time
coach.
So
ngicela just briefly nje kancane ukuthi PS staff yini lesibani lesibebaqashele sona uqala.
It's a supporting staff as anything that is related to the school, anything la ngidingeka khona. Ula ke banceda khona kakhulu. Yes.
So wena nawe njengoba uthi ufunde eFumana, so bekuwumuntu odlala ibhola nawe uthanda ibhola and udlale yipi position ebholeni ngoba siyazi ibhola linama position amaningi and yipi iclub yakho yaselokishini bewuyidlalela mhlawumbe?
Mina ngikhule ngidlala eFumana ibhola bengigoalkeeper. Ngadlalela iKaizer Stars from elokishini.
Okay.
Yeah, but ngingaba nogqozi from ngisafundisa isikolo, ngisafundisa nawo bakumayisela. I shot one day you're gonna be a coach. The way you guide ngakhona ama players just because I was the captain of the team.
Okay.
Yes. Now inkinga bengikhona ukuyibona iseza. I was the goalkeeper le ethanda ukukhuluma.
Okay.
Ngikhona ukubonisa abantu don't do that yabona. But nje ngilo muntu lo.
So ufunde eFumana from which year until when, and yabobani ama player amanye bewudlala nawo eFumana mhlawumbe siyawazi ngoba ngikhumbula eFumana besinokubukela boGuyana because nami at some time ngengahlala ngale eMandela. So iFumana ngengabukela boGuyana ngibukela boSkara. There was Budi bekanama dreads angisamkhumbula igama lakhe mara bebambiza ngoba bekahlala eCrate now he once played for iSwallows reserved. So I'm not sure ukuthi wena abobani mhlambe abantu odlale nabo which era yefumana ubifumana beyishisa.
Yeah, I think mina ngithema ngene eFumana ngithola umthwalo omkhulu, which is ngikhule ngisupport iFumana as I'm one person who grew from a primary.
Yeah.
Ngene eFumana it was 1995. It was 95, 96 up until 99. Ula ngiphuma khona ngeFumana just because bengidlala ibhola. Abantu engidlale nabo ngidlale noSkara, ngidlale noGuyana, naboMushe, naboSputla, ama players amaningi yiwo lawa. But abaningi abanye kuyacha. Asanye bakhona ufinyela phambili. Abantu bebafinyela kakhulu phambili bokuSputla noSkara.
Yeah.
Abantu bebathola ichance ukuthi bawudlala professional. So yes, abantu engidlale nabo kakhulu. We want eziningi, but the majority ukuthi besiphelela ku professional.
Yeah.
Besingakhona ukudlula
stage
yabona. Yeah, just because bekulinga garaza khona.
And now njengoba going back to the point eyashiwo your former teacher ukuthi nawe uzoba icoach ngelinye ilanga ukuthi uqale kuphi ukucoacha cause ngiyabona ukuthi no
ukucoach angiqale 1996. I-team bengidlala elokishini Kaizer Stars. Beyine-first team kuphela ngithi why sinabantu abadala but singana-development teams yabona. But I said to myself, no, the thing started coacher. Ngaqala ngavula i-team lapho ke. Ngaba nenhlanhla ngacoach abantu abanjengabomsaji. Which is wasuka kuBhajo wajampela ngapha nakimi. I had an opportunity to coach abokwanele abompho abaningi sekwama seba rest in peace abantu lawo ma players. But most of the players engwacoachile akholile ukuthi aphumelele phezulu. But even though angeke ngikhona ukubamenshina bonke because bazothi ngiyakhetha. Bamenshine the whole good guys ngibongile kuba ne-opportunity to coach mina noma ngisaqala football up until now.
Sure. So i-K1 Stars based kuphi Mthimbana like i-club yakuphi section?
I-K1 Stars is normally abantu abaningi bayazi njenge-Skipper Young Stars yasemakhaya.
Sure.
Now abantu bathi no sitshintshe le gama just because every time abantu udlala ne-Skipper now i-manager yami uMbakuthama Mkhize wathi no, let's change the name to K1 Stars.
Yes.
So that started lapho ke sa-establisha i-K1 Stars iqale ukutshintsha igama is 1995.
Okay.
Just because when I joined them mina ngibajoyine 1996. Kulapho ke ngaqala ukubajoyina khona, but in that year I started man, let me start ukuvula i-team. And bear in mind ukuthi 1996 I was doing grade 9, which is qala besithi standard 7. Yes. Bengidlala ibhola but I'm the coach at the same time.
Shikuthi kudala ke lo thando le coaching ibhola isegazini.
Just because I could see ukuthi bebanga inspire ama coach when I watch football to say one day I want to be like that guy.
So who was your favorite coach?
Dala bengabalandeleli kakhulu abo coach, but nje bengithanda nje bengathanda lama coach lawo other side ground. Bengithanda lama coach quiet mahleli phansi abe quiet.
Njengabo abo Roy Barreto.
Roy Barreto, abo Manqoba
Mgqithi.
Those are my character I wanthanda.
Ayabo Paul Doleza type.
The reason why I'm saying that mina ngiqale njenge coach alasayo. Ngegayela abantwana. But one of the players came to me to say, coach, do you know ukuthi ungekisa ibhola? I said, why boy? Amanje uyibongirasela ngakhona, ungirasela ngathi ubabami endlini. And ngiphuma endlini la ngiraselwa khona ngithi ngize ku-sports. Now ngizele ukuzenza uzo-enjoya into engiyithandayo. But now mangifika la nawe uyangirasela. Okay, now the best way ukuthi ngicoach abafana ngcono ngimbize ngikhulume naye kahle. Noma umshawuta ngendlela yothando, ungamshawuti ngalendlela yokuthi hey udlisa imali yami, udlisa ama-point wami. Manje that's why now I told myself no man, let me change. Ngaqala ukuthi umntwana mekangibone social ukuthi mangikhuluma naye ngithi lo ucoach akasekho right manje. Ngaqala lapho ke ukuthi no, let me become coaching imbiza aside ukhulume naye one-on-one. That's why who I am. Okay.
And now since coacher you've started ushukuthi uqale uyowa coacher efumana around 2012.
Yes.
So far your achievement efumana na we coaching.
Okay. Personal coaching ngine license. Angayenzi C, angayenzi B. Just because zonke into lezifuna imali.
Yes.
And mawucabanga ukhipha leyo mali leyo ucabanga umndeni. It's a problem. Now, but the passion ye coaching ngisezona. Achievement yami engibenayo. The most like Katlong area. I was busy winning a league la ku Katlong structure. Ngiwinela kuma district and whatsoever. Which is school sports on the alive. Abantu abaningi njengoba babona ngathi school sports is not alive. School sports is there. Siyadlaleka, but people bafuna kufaka amagazibo khane bazokubona school sports is just because lama game anodlala ngama
during the week
nala dlala ngaboJune la afakelwa ama-250. It's the same people that abafunda eyikolweni but abababukela ikolweni babukela emalokishini yabona. Now ama-achievement ami waba maningi kakhulu ku-school sport just because kule King Motsepe I think for 3 consecutive years ngiphuma ku-provincial and then ngiphuma kanjalo ku-provincial ngiphuma ngama-gold difference just because by 8 for 4 egroupini thatha number 1 ngapha nangapha njalo bengiba best number 2 up until this year ngaba nakathi like to proceed ukuze ngikhona ukuzithola kule nto le. I think yonke lento yenzekele this year ivala wonke ama-achievement engaba nawo elifini which is this one 2024 for me 2025 it's my year. Let me be honest, it's my year. The way being ngakhona and I'm a best players being now for the previous years. Ulabe ngitshela khona ukuthi I'm going to take Motsepe schools football but now angkhona but this year labe sengisele minimum players 6 players engangitshela ukuthi laba abanye and I have so many players even Chiefs declined ukunika lawo ma player ukuthi azodlala kimi. Benginama player 9 in the showcase now but
sure
abo-Chiefs but no labafana badlala
because aba-player wethu
ama-player wabo but I'll take that 6 that is the best that playing kuma-academies and whatsoever ngahlanganisa nala wahlala la local we did well.
So Pramthimbana kancane nje sizoya kule achievement so mention this issue yama-professional teams anama players ahlala emalokishini. Mina I've seen izinto like promising players badlala mhlawumbe umntwana bambone eKasi bamscouta eKasi then assignwe yiclub ePro then izomdlalisa mhlawumbe under 17 or under 19 but sekuyi iproduct yabo or iproduct yabo or iproperty yabo and mabafika ngapha elokishini kuba khona ukuthi umfana maseka usukile sekaleke ku professional then kumele kuba naleyo lawo ma challenges la ukuthi ma usekasi abanye ama coaches they don't understand ukuthi lo muntu lo seka ku pro and anything eyenzakalayo ama injuries because lama club lama pro abheka lezo zinto ukuthi what if uyalimala then into yethu like ucabanga ukuthi ama amateur teams la ku scout wakhona lama player nalama professional bangasebenzisana kanjani because kunokuba uvele sevela nokuthi hayi mhlawumbe uyasikhomela umntwana or uyasikhomela sekayazibona and it create unnecessary challenges ukuthi sometimes kuba into embi but sometimes ngeke siyibalekele into ekhona already khona.
But I think mina asebenzisani kahle just because basuka from la basuka khona beza la elokishini bafike bathathe those best players ngowethu. Now bear in mind ukuthi once uthi kulo mntana angasadlali kithi usho ukuthi wena anyeke ibhola lethu isakhona ukuthuthuka just because if uzonika lo mntana opportunity to say awubuyele kancane uyobancedisa like just for typical example umntana babamthathe adlala ku school sports school team bese mase siyodlala school team la umthathe khona bese uthanga sayodlala school team and lo mntana sesibheke ngayo ukuthi namanye ama players azifihlile esikolweni akhona ukusho ukuthi manje kuneplayer edlala ku-Chiefs lapha asambeni siyodlala ukuthi intwana
ziba ne-confidence i-moral and nesikolo siyabheka
nomuntu odlala ku-Chiefs on my side bengidlala naye hayi man namthi ngibuye but if deprive leyo opportunity to say adlale lo tournament it's a problem you understand ngoba iphanala abanye i-chance ukuthi beze bazodlala la isikolo but now you said akasadlali manje asukakhethiwe I understand sekawenye level you understand about injuries and whatsoever but thina on our side uyasilimaza just because lo mfana masicala simhambisa kwenye indawo sitshela ukuthi makabuya uzobuya na something enhle ayithole from le phezulu azokhona ukusitaya sibe le direction yabona nama ngamtshela ucoach ukuthi mina ucoach ungidlalisa ngalendlela now I will copy on what the coach ayenzayo lo phezulu ngikhona ukuba naye just because I go kulawo ma game wabo ngimbone bamdlalisa and bamdlalisa different positions bengimdlalisa yona mina esikolweni babamthatha.
Sure.
And it was a good thing for me na ukuthi hayibo ngibe ngishota nge-center back. Umuntu can play that center back ayidlala ku-Chiefs just because mina bengimdlalisa i-full back. But now since wena adlala ne-center back should umuntu is a versatile. It's a good player, but now if they feel kungipha that opportunity ukuthi ngikhona ukumutshela
kuyoba inkinga
kakhulu. Masingazama ukuthi sisebenzisane nesiphaneli mhlawumbe i-program to say this player ngicela ngalimali kanjena kanje. I think that was so many direction. But not say no.
Yes.
Makukhohlwa ukuthi umlando.
Kumele yes.
Into ezinjengalezo nje ezisinika ama-challenges kakhulu.
Sesiza la ke Bra Mthimbana this achievement ya this year ukuthi manidlala the challenges ni prepare until nize niyofika ku final. Ngicela nje ungiunpackele wona because ifumana isekasi isikela isekasi and then compete nabantu abanye ama models abanye abantu banama resources bana everything. Nina ngapha kusamele kuyocelwa kuba kusibanibani one business or onani.
I think to cut this matter a little short. I-preparation yethu was difficult just because bemele sithole utshani. And mase sithole utshani kumele sihambe siye eNtuthuko ground. Mase esikolweni uprincipal hayi I'm not in charge, abantu aba in charge abaselokishini. Ngenhlanhla kanti awuthenga wajwayele. Mangifika kuwo ngakhuluma man they give me ground like fully so saying Mthimbana ungaprepare. But nami bengasafuna uthatha that advantage ukuyisebenzisa like every day. Bese sine plan yeviki. Sisebenzisa ngayi-2 ngeviki. But sekuruthi yethu esijwayele Samsung.
Ibhukwini
la esijwayele khona leyo ngitshela intwana ukuthi guys ukuthi ngidlala enhlabathini ngidlala etshayeni ayikimi it doesn't have any different. Sijimile kakhulu ama-games amaningi wethu siwajimele eSamsung. But lapha only use 6 days.
Lapha
into just because the service utshani makhona nokuthi singamosha ama-program.
Yes.
But we managed to train 6 times. Sakhona ukudlala kulo 6 times sitraine lapha. Ke sesa-add nama-games in between just because we played 3 games plus sahamba sawudlala ne-1 eHuntersfield. I like to thank abantu abanjengabo United Partners. Abantu bebakhona ukungipha i-game. Ngibonge ne-Rivals naye yangipha i-game ukuthi ngikhona ukuprepare. Ngibonge noNathi from u-Academy or Hyper Academy now just because it's the last game engiyidlalile against uNathi. Ngakhona ukubona everything just because ukhona ukufinalize khona i-team ukuthi ngikhona ukuya phambili. According to preparation yethu was so difficult but we manage.
We manage. Then ke sesingena la ku success ke. The success ukuthi nidlale how many games na ama goals because wow mangifunda kwaba ngathi nami bengazi ngiyobuka I so wish ukuthi ngathi angaze early kahle ngizolandela lama games because each disk nami ngiyalfrustana Bra Mthimbana ngumuntu ohlala ema ground niyabona nami bengihlala ngikwazi mara I never knew ukuthi lo uyigama la uyabona ukuthi ngihlala ngikubona ema ground.
I think mhlambe ngingaze ngimoshe program whatever that you say. I think mina per se I'm the chairperson in Ekurhuleni South District Football. For Ikolo. I'm the technical director school sports provincial. Now I'm not allowed to sit on the bench just because of these portfolios.
Sure.
Ngilandela the achievement yami ngithola. I told myself no man. Ngiyazi umuntu owazi philosophy yami. Ngiyazi umuntu oyilandelayo i-football yami. Ngalanda uZilimbola ohlala eMaphanga. No Wiseman. Those are my 2 friends.
Yes.
Wiseman, can you become the team manager of the team? Can you become a head coach? Mena, I'll be on the stand, give you some my instruction but massive training session, we were together. Senza into A1. just because mina ifana nokuthi a certain coach doesn't have no qualification, doesn't sit on the bench, but he sits on the stand. Now, Umzilimboli came up with a good idea to say, I don't have a problem because I'm mad. Sahlanganisa into ejahlangana. Kamnandi futhi azange saba ne problem. We played provincial games, which is lapho ndlala ni-8-8 mu province. Wonke ama 15 district kuba 1-1 ngihamba ngama-region.
Yes.
Yeah, watholakala sina-8 ku provincial. When we played that ku provincial, we win 2 teams. Those 2 teams, it's a winner and a runners up. Which kula ngidliwe khona i-FM High School ku provincial. Yeah, win 150,000. Thina sangisathola nesigobi wafa ku provincial. Now when you went to province ku national, wayithula ama-team wadlala ku final eza ku national, which is kuba ingaki 9 provinces kuza 2 per team.
Yeah.
Which means basi 18
per province kuza 2.
Kuza 2.
Okay.
Those ones badlala final runners up.
Yes, sure.
Thina we were runners up.
Yes.
Ku province yethu masiya ku national.
Yes.
Yes.
Manje adliwa ku 100,000.
La ku provincial
Yes.
sadliwa 150,000.
Yes.
Ngoba first prize was 150,000. Number 2 nothing.
Okay.
Yes, manje sihamba njalo soyi2.
Yes.
Singabantu abayi2 abayo represent eGauteng ku national. Yes. Sawuhlangana nama province ayi9, which is 18 teams.
Yes.
And that 18 teams ihlukaniswe in this fashion. Per group besihamba na 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 18.
Yes.
Best number group by 5. Which is you play 2 games. After you play 2 games, bathatha abo number 1. Bonke laba bayi6. Babaqala uthatha abo number 1 abayi6 bese babuyela back kulama group lawa ayi6. Babheka ama best number 2. Bese azojoina thina sibe top 8.
Okay.
Just because the first game we managed to play 0-0. The second game we won 2-1. Saba each as top a group from Western Sea, or being fall under Eastern Sea. Boom, top 8 again. It's whereby I met in Western Cape. Yo, what a difficult game.
Yes.
I had in my life. Those guys, they were playing good football. We played them sadly 0-0. Sawadla na ama penalty. Ngenhlanhla we won ama penalties 5-4. Goalkeeper ngenzele nje umhlolo omini. Sawu semi-final. Ku semi-final, I was thought it was the best game of my life, Western Cape. I played with the Free State.
Yes.
Yo, what a quality team. What a quality team in terms of yabona bakhuluma nge-carpet football.
Yes.
Carpet football that was quick in such a way ukuthi we managed to play adlala nabo futhi 1-1. Saya nabo
penalty foot.
We had to put isibadla ma-penalty.
Hey, usho ukuthi goalkeeper wakho hayi.
Goalkeeper was the best. Was the best just because in those kule tournament benguyo. I had 2 boys. I think those boys, I need to buy them something. I'm not saying I'm biased, but their performance, motivation for bona. The team normally down, but those 2 boys, the one was a center back, the other one was a goalkeeper. The last time we second penalty shootout games, we center back and missed the penalty. We goalkeeper one save. Do you understand?
Sure.
Into
should be with team brotherhood.
A mistake, center back, move that was the
communication.
The communication was good. Now we managed to see Season Sophia final, whereby we play against Mpumalanga. The physical team. The team is good when it comes to Route 1.
Yes. Bala ku Gavin Hunt.
The best goalkeeper I ever played now since mina ngidlala ibhola. Ngiyaqala ukubona goalkeeper okora ama free kick.
Le team bendlala nayo.
Lo mfana umkhumbuze ukhune the way at district
ngakho ibhola.
kodwa ithathole free kick. Yo, that boy.
Shy free kick.
That boy, ubeka namagoli ayi-3 ku this tournament.
Wow.
Abagoli nje as
yeah.
Uyabona 3 yama-goals. That was wamahle kakhulu. That's why ngitshela ukuthi sisedlalile lapha. These guys, they only had one opportunity. Ile abayikorile. The rest it was us coming to them sifuna nje ukuba but goalkeeper was there to save Mpumalanga. But I was so proud of my boys just because in my mind I told myself,
so igame yenu iphele kanjani?
Iphele 1-0 win Mpumalanga.
Yes.
Full time. Just because bengitshele nakhona ukuthi okay nalapha senyobabamba kuma penalty just because it was so game plan yami ukuthi I've got ama-kicker lawa yi-5.
Yeah.
I-5 vele definitely nginayo engakhona ukwenza isipani no goalkeeper yasebenza bokuyilo ndlela leyo nje kuphela. But nevertheless that's why ke just because iwina i-first prize kule national it was 3 million
kule first prize
yeah
school yes.
Yeah. I-second prize was 700, i-third prize i-600, i-fourth prize 500,000, which means mawungena ku-semi-final we have a chance to get that 500. Yes.
So ama prizes besides imali mhlambe kukhona ama kit ama trophy or
okay. Money fika ku national. Every team got a kit. Which you can ukuyisebenzisa. You don't wear anything.
Yes, go
beside i-KMT bed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
But ke asithola amamedali. Wow, number 1 uthola i-trophy. Yes. What beautiful trophy.
So Pramtimbana, this achievement ukuthi i-700,000 mina angaze ngazwa ukuthi kunomuntu oriskela sala ekhasi like eCartoras. And eCartoras produce a lot of players, but I've never seen. You are the first one ukuthi usirepresent ubeke iflag lethu phezulu ukuthi nayi ngibuya noma udliwe. But I was so inspired for me like he spoke like ingivula amehlo ukuthi kukhona izikolo zaselokishini even though singanama resources emalokishini zingekho sishota but khona abantu abane talent and badinga isupport labo bantu labo. So wena Pramtimbana ukuthi njengoba niwini kanje abantu like for isupport ukuthi yini just your words of encouragement kulabantu abanabantwana abadlala ibhola babona ngathi hayi umntana makafuna ukufunda just ubhizi unakana nebhola ukuthi uba encourage ukuthi nabo abangabalahleli izandla because lento le ibonisa ukuthi sine talent elokishini just lidinga i-guidance.
Yeah, injalo. If ngayenza ibe simple. One, it's not the first school in Katlo ifika ku national. I think it's my second school ifumana. The first school yafika ku national it was Summer Park.
Okay.
Isese Academy.
Okay.
Now the second school it was Fumana. But ufika ku final we are the first like in the south. Ufika ku final. Which is I'm proud of the boys. And whatever they yenzile is not as to it was a fluke or what. If you are dedicated to something, let's make use of it. Anybody from the Catholic can do this.
Yeah.
That's why they emphasize on a 17 to say school sports is alive. Now, ngize kule part eyokuthi abazali asiphenye abantwana bethu opportunity ukuthi basebenzise italent labo. Let's support umntwana kuyo yonke into. Educational wise, schools wise, everything is over right. If football is alive, guys. And pay in mind, the majority of those are those kids that are struggling school. Ngihambe nabantwana abayi-4 struggling about biometric, which is they started already biometric. Teachers they were so afraid ukuthi hayibo uhamba nalo ngale vinyana lelokuvala la sibadinga khona kwempela ukuthi bazofunda bayenze konke kusemandleni ukuthi baphase. When uyabathatha uhamba nabo ngathi guys this is an extra curriculum ngicela sibaphele opportunity ukuthi bahambe la And I was so surprised when I saw some of the teachers sharing them. Hey, siyabonga. Hey, naba abantwana bethu bayenze into right. Ngiyabona yilo mntana umthethisayo eklasini ukuthi akayenzi into right. Kodwa kwinyawo zakhe wenza something good. It's not as such ukuthi abazi lutho. Somehow kune-assistance that is needed ebantwaneni. Ukuthi educational wise akekho 100% everything. Yabona ile bengitshela nasesikoleni sethu ukuthi asibuyiseni isikolo sethu sifane nabo kaTlongtheng. Sizosebenza ngomsebenzi wezandla so that abantu abanjenganawo singakhona sibafake khona abesebenza nge-electricity awusebenza nge-building so that uyazi unebhola nini ibhola maliphelile khona into neskill yabona iskill sala abafana sikhona siningi ngithi kuma-parents starting from now asisupporteni abantwana bethu yonke indawo umntwana mombona ku-educational ukuthi kuyabaleka mara ngapha naku-sports kuney'ndlela ezi-right asimsupporteni. One of my directors, Mr. Ranch, once said to me, Mr. Dube, let's go and check the bank balance yam. At 1,000 yard, but in nama honors na everything ngirana school sports. But let's go to check uBenny McCarthy. Wangibekisela uBenny McCarthy. Let's go. What abozira bala ku bank account yabo mara kana matric.
Yeah.
But look at achievement yakaBenny McCarthy. Akana matric akana nix but coach eKenya manje
national team
la. Mawubheka ko zero. Uhlula mina as kimi ngiphethe
support.
You understand? Now let's give those kids a support. We are not saying ukuthi all yonke into la emhlabeni is all about education.
Yeah, khona
Sometimes kuba i-talent lakho na. Kuba ilakhi yakho oyenza emntwaneni. Let's try by all means with the support abantwana bethu. Ngalawo magama la.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Bra Mthimbana. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Sesiyayivala ke Bra Mthimbana, sesiyayivala manje. Last question yami ilo ukuthi ngiya understand ukuthi maya kunama exam, isikhathi sama exam manje. And njengoba nisebenze kanje nabafana bakho nesikolo sonke so yini bemhlambe seni celebrateile mhlambe nje ubake like nje ukuthi ku celebrate ukujabule ukuthi isikolo we did this or has anyone mhlambe e-council ekuruleni municipality abantu bakamasipala because into yenzile it's very huge from Mthimbana. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say anything ukuthi ama celebration ukuthi nje ni celebrate ninonke mhlambe senibekilanga ukuthi nizothi maqedwa ku celebrate or just nje ukuthi labantu nibabonge abafana nawe i-staff i-technical staff sakho
ukuba neqiniso kodwa manje ngicamba manga ayikho into eyenziwe from school municipality everybody nothing and that makes me ngathi ngakhala just because even the school naso I was expecting ukuthi principal abacela abantwana ukuthi okay ngicela ubabiza babese staff room staff sonke sibabone babonga abantwana uplan around the trip or SGP esikolo yabani ayikayenzi there's nothing eyenzekile but the only thing eyenzekile manje abantwana ukuthi they keep on asking me kwenzakalani ngale mali sifuna ukwazi why they know ukuthi kune mali and the school automatically sebaya plan ngayo le mali leyo now I told them to say no guys okwamanje imali ayika asikaneni direction ukuthi sizoyisebenzisa kanjani from point A to point Z you understand let's wait up until it came with CBCP direction the Department of Agriculture which there's in our sports and like there's in pascal direction just because le mali angeke ize as cash izoza as a voucher to say what do you want as a school so that you purchase ufaka ama quotation and whatsoever sayenza ihamba kanjalo.
All right Bra Mthimbana hayi Bra Mthimbana ke sesiyayivala nje maye mina ngiyabonga kakhulu ngibonga isikhathi sakho Bra Mthimbana angazi nje yo last words into mhlawumbe ongathanda ukuyisho ukuvala ngayo sesiyavala mina ngiyabonga ngisanama question ngiyabonga kakhulu bro Mthimbane.
Yeah, ngiyabonga kakhulu ngibonga ithuba ongiphe lona ukuthi ngize la. Mhlambe nje ukuyi-wrap up ukuthi mhlambe it's not what we came with sepeje kuphela that give us money for 2024 and 2025. We once had one child that went to Namibia now. Siyodlala Team SA. That we won $100.
Yes.
But as a school, they were giving us 1 million, which means the scholars 100,700,000, which is 100,000 million as he told it last. Already, kunama nezinto esazwenzeka esikoleni sethu manje ngendaba ye-school sports. Now that's why I'm saying ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi i-school sports abantwana bethu labo sibathumile eGoli kunoshintsho abalenzayo eGoli ukuthi nalo mntana uma phumile esikoleni sethu makandlule athi le nto leya
I was proud of it.
Just because I was playing football. Ngalo magama ngithi bazali abantwana bethu bangayitshintsha izwe lethu sekele ukukhombana ngempilo asidlaleni party yethu sekele abantwana bethu baqhubeka badlale school sports. School sports is alive. Let the kids play football in their school. Thanks.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu bro Mthimbane, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thanks.